If you plan to travel to Europe, you should take your time and watch this video carefully and to the end. Do not make these 5 mistakes when traveling to Europe. Welcome, adventurous souls and first-time travelers. If Europe is your next destination, you're in for an extraordinary journey. But before you grab your passport and pack your bags, let's ensure your trip goes off without a hitch. Avoid these common travel mistakes, and you'll be on your way to exploring Europe's enchanting lands with confidence and ease. Planning a European adventure can be exhilarating, but it's easy to fall into the trap of overloading your schedule. Picture this: rushing from one iconic landmark to another without a moment to truly savor any of them. The excitement of ticking every country off your list may sound tempting, but the reality is, you'll end up stressed and exhausted, missing out on Europe's rich cultural tapestry. Instead, prioritize quality over quantity. Choose a few destinations that truly pique your interest and allow yourself the luxury of time to explore them thoroughly. Europe's charm often lies in its small details: an afternoon at a local cafe, a leisurely stroll through quaint streets, or a dialogue with a friendly local. These experiences will become the memories you cherish most. Remember, a well-paced trip is the key to enjoying Europe's magic. Europe's train network is a gateway to its diverse landscapes, offering convenience and comfort, provided you know the ropes. One of the most common slip-ups travelers make is overlooking train rules. Unlike some parts of the world, many European countries require you to validate your train ticket before boarding. This simple step, often missed by newcomers, can prevent costly fines. Always check the specific requirements for your route. Some journeys may require a seat reservation alongside a valid ticket. Validate your ticket at designated machines, usually found at stations, to ensure smooth travels. By embracing the local customs of train travel, you'll find it an invaluable part of your European journey. The ease of a swipe or tap to pay for your purchases. Credit cards are undoubtedly convenient. However, when traveling in Europe, carrying only plastic money can lead to awkward situations. Despite being a hub of modernity, cash is still favored in many parts of Europe, especially in smaller towns, local markets, and family-run establishments. To avoid potential mishaps, always keep a small amount of local currency on hand. This ensures you won't miss out on delightful experiences like buying fresh produce from a local market vendor or ordering a specialty coffee at a cozy corner cafe. Prepare by learning the currency conversion rates before you go, so you have a better idea of how much cash you'll need. Your comfortable travel attire may work well for long flights, but not necessarily for dining in a chic Parisian bistro. European cities often boast a more refined dress culture, so it's wise to pack clothing that strikes a balance between comfort and style. Avoid the embarrassment of being underdressed. Opt for versatile pieces that transition easily from day tours to evening outings. Look to pack classic items that are effortlessly stylish. A smart jacket, well-fitted jeans, or a simple dress can be dressed up or down with minimal effort. By blending practicality with elegance, you'll feel confident and comfortable navigating Europe's streets and social settings. Every culture has its own nuances, and Europe is no exception. Understanding and respecting local etiquette can transform how you experience a place. Simple gestures like greeting people in France with a warm bonjour or respecting the queuing system in the UK reflect good manners and are appreciated by locals. Before you travel, take some time to study a few key phrases and cultural norms. This not only smooths possible language barriers, but also enriches your interactions with residents. Engage with your surroundings. It's a small investment of effort that pays off immensely in your travel satisfaction. As you prepare for this exciting European adventure, remember that successful trip planning hinges on mindful organization and flexibility. Start by researching your destinations, understand the climate, explore accommodation options, and familiarize yourself with transportation systems. This foundational knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions on the go and adapt should unforeseen challenges arise. Utilize travel-friendly apps to manage your itinerary, stay connected with loved ones, and access translation tools instantly. Consider investing in a lightweight backpack or secure crossbody bag to keep your essentials close as you wander. When it comes to packing, think layers. Europe's weather can vary greatly, even within a single trip. A mix of light, breathable fabrics and warmer layers ensures you're prepared for varying climates. There's a unique thrill in being a first-time traveler. To make the most of it, engage actively with your surroundings. Don't shy away from starting conversations with fellow travelers or locals. These interactions often lead to spontaneous adventures and lasting friendships. Document your journey, not just for social media, but for your memories. Keep a travel journal or vlog your experiences. You'll appreciate having these records when reflecting on your adventures later. Lastly, approach your travels with an open mind and a readiness to embrace the unexpected. Travel is as much about discovery within as it is about the places you visit. Embarking on a European trip is a thrilling endeavor filled with potential for unforgettable experiences. By avoiding these common mistakes, you equip yourself with the knowledge to navigate this diverse continent with ease and respect. Cherish each moment, engage meaningfully with new cultures, and travel smarter for an uplifting and enriching adventure. Europe awaits, with open arms and endless possibilities. Like and share for more travel tips. Where's your next destination? Let me know in the comments below, and happy travels!